Today we walk Athens, one hill, 1,000 years.
Let's climb before the crowds wake up.
If you see Greek letters like this, you're on track.
Quest 1. Reach the Parthenon with soft light.
Kalimera.
Breakfast, a warm coulouri, simple, perfect.
Every step feels like entering a story.
These stones are older than most nations.
Modern below, same heartbeat.
Stories were performed long before screens.
Imagine the crowd, thousands, all listening.
This theatre still hosts music under the sky.
We're climbing through time.
Pro tip, water now, sun later. Athens stretches to the horizon.
Quiet voices. This place deserves it.
There it is, the gateway to the Acropolis. Walk slow. Let it sink in.
Small temple, huge presence.
Even the stone has a signature. The Parthenon, finally, face to face.
It's bigger than photos admit.
Look up! This is the geometry of power. Wow. Ooh.
No rush, this is the payoff.
Next quest, find the Erica frame's magic.
These figures hold history on their heads.
Art, then air, then the whole city.
The light here feels sharp and clean.
We'll chase a viewpoint locals swear by.
Now we descend into the living city.
Old stones, new home. Quick stop at the museum.
You can literally walk above history.
The details survive, century after century.
Time for a Greek coffee break.
Slow coffee, fast happiness.
Plaka feels like Athens whispering.
Next, hidden corners and the sweetest street sounds.
Yassas.
Plaka wakes up slowly, like a good song.
These flowers do half the decorating.
Ah, this one shows the propylaea before the restoration. It's quite unique.
Yeah.
Athens in your pocket.
Postcard edition.
Quest, find one small charm to remember today.
Efaristo.
A simple efaristo goes a long way.
Here, time feels unbothered.
Listen, Athens always adds a soundtrack. This sound belongs to these stones. Plaka is basically a maze on purpose.
Even the numbers look like vacation.
This corner feels like a secret inside the city.
Keep voices low, people live here.
Greek letters everywhere, like living calligraphy.
Athens isn't a museum. People breathe here.
Even in tiny lanes, the Acropolis watches.
The sun moves like a quiet clock.
Back into the buzz. Made by hand, still.
Athens smells like oregano and warm stone.
Quest complete. Street food with zero regrets.
It keeps appearing, like a reminder.
Greek first, always a good sign.
Παρακαλώ.
In Athens, even the starters feel generous.
Now we hunt for the best golden hour viewpoint.
Plan. Climb one more hill.
Same temple, new angle, new feeling.
From here, Athens looks endless.
Athens is rough, warm, and real.
Down we go, chasing the night lights.
Plaka after sunset is pure cinema.
Little objects, big stories.
Paracalo, final quest, dinner with Acropolis nearby.
Lemon makes everything brighter.
And there it is again, now glowing.
A small toast to walking everywhere.
Athens gets friendlier at night.
This is the kind of history I can taste.
Let's walk it off, Athens style.
Greek letters look even prettier under warm light.
Faith and history, side by side.
Athens nightlife, cats and cobblestones.
There's the ultimate night beacon.
It's impossible not to stop.
One tiny charm, one huge day.
Freshly roasted.
Night air, warm snacks. Perfect combo.
Kalinichta.
Kalinichta.
Try Kalinichta. It lands with a smile.
Plaka slowly folds itself to sleep. These streets know every kind of footstep.
One last bite before the finale.
Honey, nuts, and pure joy.
Athens, you're unreal.
I get why people fall in love with this place.
From sunrise to night, one walk, endless Athens.
But we're not done. There's one last quiet corner. Athens can be loud, and then suddenly, soft.
I love how the language looks at night.
Some places feel sacred even from the doorway.
One last look, more personal this time.
The map is messy now. Perfect.
Athens doesn't ask for much, just your feet.
Tomorrow we could walk a different Athens.
But tonight, this is enough.
If you felt it too, stay with me for the next walk.